Hi, I'm Sharon. As my lessons begin to work through the Grade 2 Discovery Music Theory ABRSM syllabus, we look at Chapter 1, which looks at the topic of ledger lines. We use ledger lines because we need to extend above and below the stave in any clef. So here in Grade 2, we look at ledger lines above and below the treble and the bass clef so that we can extend our range of notes. The full lesson is available on my Patron channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find the full lesson there, and the links to this lesson can be found in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you can see sample examples of these lessons just to show you how I will work with you step by step through every single exercise. Once you feel that you're ready to take the ABRSM Grade 2 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to be best prepared for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day. This is available from Amazon in either ebook or paperback format, and you can find the links to this in the cards and in the description box below. Also, all the information that you require can be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find everything you need to know right there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. But the reason we have these two clefs is that if we didn't have, for example, the bass clef and the treble clef just getting lower, we'd have way too many ledger lines. It would be impossible to read. So here we're in the treble clef. So if this is every good boy deserves football, that's F, G, A. And so here in the bass clef, we know it's good boys deserve football. So G, F, E. So there we have an E. Now we use the same principles, but now moving to the bass clef. So we can start by counting an octave perhaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which takes us here, which is good boys. That's a B. Alternative, we can start, we know that this is a G. G, F, E, D, C, B. Now here we know the space is all cows eat grass. That's an A. And then we know that's a G. One step below A is G, and we know that the lines are good boys deserve football always, or whatever little rhyme makes that memorable to you. So we have bag to the appropriate clef. We can use any time value. I think we'll use just a semi-breve so that we don't worry about stems, but it must be on ledger lines. So of course we can't choose this G up here. Every good boy deserves football, F, G. That's no good because there's no ledger lines there. We can't use this one. We're going to have to go below middle C. So if that's middle C at the bottom of the treble, C, B, A is the second ledger line. There is the G, and we need it to be sharp. And now it says G sharp here. When it's written in letters, we write it as we say it, but we need the sharp before the note. So you kind of write a music sharp G because, of course, you need to know that it's sharpened before you play it. No point playing it and then realising it should be sharpened.